always say, when I was giving Garg Sahib his nose, when I was with the law department, which I was removed for unceremonious reasons, for whatever I don't know, but whatever is that I will try to do. Registration department was one department where people were getting a lot of problems, and I don't know how far it's working, because I stopped because it irritates me, because I put my whole and soul into it to bring the best out of the department, and we made an online system where you don't have to go and ask for an appointment. You could do it online, take your own desired time, own desired date, and pay it online instead of sitting with the sub-registers and asking how much you're going to hassle and pay on the plot what you have brought. Well, it was the first phase, and there were second phases which were supposed to come, where the building was also to be incorporated. I hope my other colleague continues what I have started. But we all as politicians have to strive to do good. We all have to introspect and see what we are achieving, what we want to do. What we want to do is whether, as someone in the audience pointed out, that we have engineers who are, and he himself said that people are wanting jobs. I tell my constituents, because a lot of people, I meet them, my young friends, I go and speak to them, I tell them, see, we have to develop our own skills. Jobs, yes, will come to you.